We're gonna do a clean with me in the new home. We are moving in tomorrow. It is a new home, a new build, so it's very dusty, so we have a lot of wiping down to do, very easy cleaning. I am gonna move in the pantry tonight. I loaded my van up as much as I could with some of the pantry things. So in this tote, if you're wondering where I got it from Walmart. I brought a bunch of cleaning supplies, a lot of my Norwex things, and garbage bags. So we're gonna start cleaning. I have Jonah and Boston with me, and I brought toilet paper for the bathrooms. The hand towels were still in my dryer at home, but we brought paper towels and some hand soaps. I'm gonna dust down the pantry first because I have things in my car that are gonna come in here. Jonah, can you grab the step ladder please out of the back of the van so I can reach up here and dust? Here, and my in-laws are gonna be coming over and they're gonna help clean. Plastic down so when we bring up the washing machine and all the furniture, we don't get the carpets dirty. So we're gonna do that all the way upstairs, in the hall, in the bedroom, and down here. Protect this. I really wish that this was wood all the way through, but that's okay. It's beautiful though. Got everything wiped down. I didn't do the mirrors because they were fine, and we'll just start rotations come Monday. My father-in-law has some furniture at his house that he's bringing over that we bought off of somebody that was also moving. I brought a ton of stuff from home for the pantry. So I am gonna just start unboxing these and get the pantry all set up. I filled up my crock pot and my Instapot with some spices, and I have some already boxed up, but this, I used the space. I might use this drawer for all the spices and line them up, and then use this cupboard for the bigger ones. I'm gonna try it and then we'll see. This is where I packed all the spices, so I'm gonna get them out, put them on the counter and see if I like this or not. I mean, it could change over the weekend, but I'm gonna give this a whirl. Look who just showed up! Welcome home! Oh, Shaylee! Laura, my mother-in-law, found it from a friend in her neighborhood who's moving, and she sold these. Both of these, 50 bucks. Not 50 each, the whole thing, 50.
I like it.
So cute!